Hey everyone, got chewing gum stuck to your clothes? Here's the faster way to get it out without ruining the fabric. Take a 1 ice cube, place them directly on the gum for 5 to 10 minutes. As the gum hardens, it will lose grip on the fabric. Now gently lift it off using a spoon. It will peel off easily. Still remove residue left. Rub a few ice cubes or white vinegar on it. Scrub gently with a toothbrush to loosen it. Rinse the area with cold water, then wash the cloth normally. The gum and sticky residue will be completely gone. Try this quick trick next time. It really works. Follow for more real and simple DIY that saves your clothes. Thanks for watching.